No problem. Send me Monu email
Sure, sure.
and I will reply on the email.
Okay, no problem. Hello, can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you.
Yeah. Thank you so much. Thank you for joining this meeting and sorry for late join. So if you don't mind, can you open your camera? We talk face to face. I think it's better for us, and I'm very excited to see you.
No problem. Just give me 1 minute.
Sure, sure. Hi.
Hello.
Yeah,
Yes, hello.
yeah. Okay. So first of all, we'll have to introduce ourselves. My name is Monnu Nayem, and me and Neil Nafis, we are teammates. We work together, and we provide digital marketing services worldwide. And we have big agency. Our agency name is Monnu Nayem Agency. So if you want, then you can see all of everything. When our meeting is finished, then Neil send you all of everything. Then you can easily see. So can you please tell me what is your need and what is your requirement from us?
Okay, so actually Neil has approached me
Yeah.
through the email
Okay.
and he found my YouTube channel because
Yes.
lately I have seen, I think more than 10 to 15 companies from Bangladesh. They
Okay.
have approached me through my YouTube channel. I'm not sure how I have reached to Bangladesh.
Okay. Okay.
So they are approaching me for the marketing purpose. They are approaching me for the SEO purpose. That your SEO is very low
Yeah.
for the YouTube, especially for Instagram and YouTube. My videos. So basically, I have an agency. I have a video and photography agency, but I do a podcast on my
Okay.
side, like it's my
Great.
own podcast.
Okay.
So
Great.
I'm uploading my podcast videos on my YouTube and Instagram and TikTok. Okay, for the
Okay.
longer format, I upload on YouTube,
Okay.
and for the shorter format, I upload on Instagram and TikTok.
Okay. I understand that.
So, as Neil approached me, he said that I will be giving you some trial basis work. If you want me to try, I can give you some of the trial work and I can show you the result on your YouTube channel. And if you like it, and then you can hire us. This
Oh,
is what I have got it from the Neil.
okay. Okay. I understand that. So just give me 2 minutes. Me and Neil just talk about our work. Okay. Just give me 2 minutes. Okay. Okay, Neil bhai. Okay. So yeah, me and Neil we discuss about your work. So before Neil see your YouTube channel, your video and your thumbnail is very good, but you cannot get some like proper result on your YouTube channel and on your YouTube video. So that Neil send you the message. So as a digital marketer, as a SEO expert, Neil help you to get more views and more subscriber on your YouTube channel and also rank on Google. So if you want, then you give me one chance to prove our work. Then if you see the result is good, you can satisfy, then we will work together and we will work for a long time. So first of all, we will tell you our work process. So basically we have three services available for YouTube. So if you want, we can help you to organically, that's called YouTube video SEO. If you want, we can help you to promote your video on other social media sites. That's organic work. And another thing is YouTube video boosting. That means if you want, then we can get more views, more subscriber at a short time. If we will pay on Google, then Google reach this video many sites like Google site, then we can get easily views and subscriber. So that's three services available for now. This is our first work and this is our first project with you. So I suggest you at first you can see our work for a short time, like for a 1 week. If you happy our work, then we will work together in a long time. I think it's better for us.
So this 1 week you are offering me, that will be trial basis, right?
Yes, trial basis. So for a 1 week, you can see our work. If you want, we will do for your latest video. If you want, we will do your old video. Then if you see that the result is good for you, then we can work for monthly basis.
Okay, so do you perform any of these strategy planning for Instagram and in TikTok or just only YouTube?
This service is for YouTube. If you want, we can help you to grow your other social media sites like Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok. That's called like advertisement. If you want, then we can help you to get like more views and more followers on your Instagram and Facebook and TikTok with the ads. If you want, we can help you to run your campaign, ads campaign. Then you can get a result. That is the paid work, like a paid marketing.
No. I'm talking about the complete organic way. See, I know how to run the campaign. I know how to do this.
Okay.
I don't want to do this. I want everything to be
Organic.
organically
Okay. Okay.
because uh, I'm just talking about, like, suppose if you are working for only YouTube, okay?
Yeah.
So working together with the YouTube, if you have any support system for Instagram and TikTok, so I want to give everything to you.
Ah.
So you can deal everything together and give me the good package. But
Yeah.
if you do not have for the Instagram and TikTok, I have a lot of videos which is already pending and I did not post it. Okay.
Okay.
I did not have time.
Okay. Okay.
So I want somebody to manage my Instagram and TikTok and post it on the daily basis.
Okay.
And whatever I'll be doing, I'll just send the video and you need to post it according to the algorithm. You need to put right hashtag, you need to choose right music.
Sure.
You need to choose right time according to the algorithm of Instagram. So I want organic way. Right now, I'm posting everything. I'm collaborating with different podcasters, different models, different fashion models, different photographers, videographers, or maybe the bloggers. But
Okay.
the thing is, I want my personal videos to be grow. Like, suppose if I'm normally posting my Instagram videos, I'm getting almost 2,500, 3,000 views normally on an
Okay.
average.
Yeah, understand.
But I want it to be going more than that, like something around 10, 15,000, 25,000, 30,000,
Okay.
which
Okay.
I know it will take time. But again, if we will be proceeding with the algorithm and the proper proceedings, it will grow.
Sure. If we will
So
maintain the like right
normally
things.
I don't have time for that.
If
So right now what we can do, what's your name? Monu. Monu.
yes, Money.
So what you can do, Monu, just have a trial period of 1 week.
Yeah.
I'll send you 10 videos of my YouTube.
Yeah.
Let's track them now. Like, we can check what is the current viewership right now, and we can see the 10 after days, and we can see the difference. If there will be a good chance, for sure I'll go ahead.
Yeah, sure, sure. Okay. So if you want to trial for a 1 week, then we can help you a 1 week.
So what is the monthly charges of yours?
We have two packages available for now. So our one package is 1 week for a 10 video. Per video is $10. That means one like 10 video for a 1 week for 100 USD. And another is for monthly basis. If you want for monthly basis, I will complete 1 month 30 video and we give you the like $50 discount. For 30 video, we will complete your SEO work, your promotion work, and also we will maintain your all of algorithm and all of everything. 250 USD for a 1 month for 30 video. That's our like monthly package.
Okay.
Yeah.
So this 1 month, sorry, one week trial period, that will be free, right?
Yeah. So if you see this result is good, if you get good result, then we can like start for a paid version. But you know, SEO is the full organic work, so we need some like a day, like a 2-3 day. And when we will complete our lost of video SEO, then your channel is growing day by day. We can do these things, no problem. So I hope if you're happy with our work, then we will work together in a long time.
Okay, so Monu, do one thing, send me the email
Sure, sure.
with all of the things together, whatever
Okay.
you
So
want to offer me in the free trial period. And after that, if suppose if we will be going forward and if I hire you,
yeah.
for the monthly basis, what are the services you will give me, offline, online page, whatever you want to call it?
Okay.
Just give me every breakdown in the email.
Okay.
I
Okay.
will go through it, and if I have any question, I'll come back and
Sure,
I'll
sure.
let you know. Just send me the email with all of the breakdown with all of the services which you will be providing me.
Okay.
Okay,
Okay. Okay. Sure.
and let me know when we can start with the video. One video I'll give you. I'll go through with my channel.
Okay.
And
So
I'll send you the link of the video.
okay. So for
Then you
this,
can start working on
yeah,
that.
yeah, and for this work, we need your channel manager or editor access. If you want, you send manager access or editor access for complete our work.
No problem. Send me the request.
Okay.
I'll
Okay.
send
Sure.
you. I'll approve your access, and then you can start working.
Okay.
But
Okay.
just send me first all of the services which you will be providing me after the trial period.
Yeah. Yeah. Okay. No
Let me
problem.
go through. I will confirm you on the email first,
Okay.
and then we can go ahead.
Okay. Sure. Sure.
And one
Definitely
more
think.
question, Monu.
Yeah. Sure. Sure.
I have been getting some information related to YouTube
Yeah. Okay.
that with the paid services you can get your monetization status on. Like, suppose
Yeah. Of course.
I have 1,100 or 1,200 hours,
Okay, great.
and I have 252 subscribers right now.
Okay, great. Okay.
So one of my friend told me that okay, if you can get some services, you can complete your 400 hours watch time and 1,000 subscribers.
Yeah,
Right?
yes, if you want, we can help you to complete your monetization. Our monetization package is 300 USD. We will complete your full all of every watch time and also the subscriber. So you have subscriber already now. So we can give you the like a $20 discount. So that means $280 for complete your full watch time. So if you want, we can help you.
And how much time it take?
We need 20 day for complete monetization. And one more thing is you get the views and watch time, okay, for getting the monetization. And when you can get monetization, then you can easily see all of everything. So for this work, we need like a one video for 1 hour, okay.
Okay.
Yeah, so that's the requirement. If you want, then we will start your work for monetization package. So first of all, you see our work, then we can start.
What I can feel right now, your rate is very high. See, Monnu,
yeah.
I'm from Pakistan. Okay.
You're from Pakistan?
And I'm from Pakistan. I live in Dubai.
Okay. We are from Bangladesh.
Yeah, I know.
Okay,
Do you speak Hindi?
Yeah, I understand Hindi, but I'm not telling properly Hindi. And also I understand Urdu. If you want, you talk with me Urdu. No problem. Yeah.
You can speak Urdu?
I cannot tell Urdu, but I can understand. Properly, I understand.
Okay, no issues. So what I'm saying, see, Monu, I am from Pakistan. Okay, I have lots of friends who are doing the same work.
Okay.
But I don't want to give any of the work in Pakistan because I don't like working with them.
Okay.
Because there are so many excuses that okay, there is something happening today, internet is not working.
Okay,
I am not well, I'm sick today, I will not work today, give me some time, I will be working after 2 days. These type of excuses I don't want.
Okay, I understand.
So I prefer working with either Indians or from Bangladesh.
Yeah.
So because of that, I was actually interested to talk to you because I don't want to give anything to Pakistan. But if you are talking about, yes, everything is happening also from Pakistan. You know also everything is happening in there.
Yeah, I will understand that. So yeah, I respect your time and also I respect your money. So inshallah we will work perfectly.
Yeah, but because of that, I'm saying, Mono, your rate is high. If you compare with the Pakistani people, they are normally charging 25,000 rupees for the monetization. I'm not sure what is in the dollar or what is in the Bangladeshi taka. So 25,000 rupees they are charging me, and they are saying me within 1 week or 10 days will monetize your channel.
No, that's I don't know about these things. If you want, then you hire another person, but that is not organic work. We will do for organic. If you want, like we give you the like temporarily watch time. After some day, you can see your all of watch time is down, and your channel also down, and your monetization is removed. And your like YouTube have policy, if your watch time is down and your views is down, then your channel monetization is gone. We will give you the like quality full service. We believe that if we will give you the quality full service, then you work with it again and you recommend another person. Budget is high, so we give you the some discount, but not most discount, because this is the full organic work, and we have work on marketplace and out of marketplace.
So how do I know that this is, because I'm not sure, because see, I'm not an expert of these marketing things. So how do I differentiate if it is organic or if it is a bot?
Okay, so you can easily see your analytics. Then you can see the analytics. One option is where you can get the views, where you can get the watch time, and how many watch time you can get which video. Then you can easily understand and compare.
So if we are talking about see, there are two things right now. One thing is that you will get me monetized. Second thing is you will grow my channel as an organic way.
Yeah,
so which country do you prefer? Which country you will target more?
That's when you give the access, like editor and manager access, then we can analytics check, then I can tell you exactly. Not now, because we need to research.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, no problem. So no problem. Send me Monu email.
Sure.
And I will reply on the email.
Okay, no problem. So if you have any question, you ask on Neil anytime. He reply on, and if you want these types of meeting join again, you tell Neil send me message, then we will join again. No problem. I am always free for you.
Okay.
Yeah, thank you
Okay.
so much.
Thank you, Monu.
Yeah, thank you for your giving me valuable time. Okay, Allah
Thank you.
Hafiz. Bye bye.
Okay. Bye.